Welcome to the virtual open house tour for 26 Canvasback Ridge in Waterford, New York. This beautifully updated colonial has so much to offer on its private lot with a heated in-ground pool, patio, and finished basements. Located in a gorgeous modern neighborhood near the scenic Mohawk River, 26 Canvasback Ridge will offer plenty of memories and family fun. Moving to the website 26canvasback.com, we can see the Matterport Virtual Reality Tour right on the homepage. We can get an idea of the home's layout by using the dollhouse function. Let's jump into the home and see all of its beautiful features. Entering through the front door, you're greeted by a formal dining room on the left-hand side. Moving over to the right side, the living room is centered by a large, stone-faced gas fireplace. As the dining room leads into the large eat-in kitchen, we can see granite countertops, custom cabinetry, updated appliances, and tile floors. Directly off of the kitchen is the hot tub and solarium to keep you relaxed and recharged year-round. Also off of the kitchen is secondary access to the gorgeous living room. Like the living room, the family room features a stone-faced gas fireplace. This room is made for entertainment with its projector screen and custom in-wall media hookups. A pocket door full bathroom can be found in the corner of this fantastic high-ceiling room. Access to the first finished basement leads to a great room for family game enjoyment. Both finished basements have Bilco doors for legal egress. Popping back into the Matterport dollhouse view, we can go into the top-down floor plan mode and head back into the dining area where we can see the convenient access to the first floor laundry room. Heading back down the stairs to the second finished basement, you're greeted by the perfect area for hosting weekend guests, with their own private lounge room accessed by a Bilco door and sleeping quarters complete with a full bathroom. Moving back into the living room, we can head upstairs for the main bedrooms. The master bedroom is complete with its large closet space and private bathroom, with a separate shower and tub. Across the hall is the second bedroom with its own door access to another full bathroom. Across from that is another bedroom which leads down the hall to the private office space. Moving outside of the home, we can see a 360-degree view of the beautiful in-ground pool. With an updated pool heater, this oasis can be enjoyed from May to September. This area features a large deck for entertaining summer guests and a cabana complete with grill, refrigerator, and TV hookups. Going back to the custom website, we can check out where 26 Canvasback's location is on the map. Located in Shenendehowa School District, this home is just a short drive up Route 9 for all the dining, shopping, and entertainment that Clifton Park has to offer. Along with the pool heater, the asphalt shingle roof, and hot water heater have been updated in the last 4 years. Thanks for viewing the virtual open house tour for 26 Canvasback Ridge in Waterford. To guide yourself on your own tour, visit 26canvasback.com to view our Matterport virtual reality tour right on the homepage. And for any questions, give us a call at 518-227-0718.